Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to change alarm name on Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is click the digital clock on your home screen. And okay guys, on the top, you can see the alarm, the clock, the stopwatch, and the timer. And okay guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change alarm name. And okay guys, you all have to do is go to alarm. And okay guys, here in alarm, I have one set of alarm time here. And okay guys, the alarm name of this alarm time is alarm only. And okay guys, to change the alarm name of this alarm time, okay, you'll have to do is click the alarm time. And okay guys, now the pop-up below are show. And okay guys, below the pop-up, okay, you can see the alarm name. And okay guys, you'll have to do to change the alarm name is click the alarm name. And okay guys, now you can change the name. And okay guys, after you change the alarm name, okay, don't forget to click the save button on the upper right side of this pop-up. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully changed or add the alarm name of this alarm time. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.